Hey, it's Buses for Sale. Taking a quick look at this Gillig transit bus. Has a Cummins diesel engine in it, automatic transmission. It is ADA accessible. Has a Thermo King HVAC unit. Take a quick look underneath. For more detailed pictures, please visit us at busesforsale.com. We'll also take a quick look inside. Quick view of the driver's area here. I'm going to turn on some lights. You can see there's two wheelchair positions, one there with the seat folded up. Do have a midship exit door. Elevated rear seating. Seats are in good condition on this one. Again, for more detailed pictures, please visit us at busesforsale.com. Thank you.